students, today we are going to practice problems under skewness. Dear students, there are two methods of measuring skewness. One is absolute measure of skewness. So to find out skewness and absolute measure, the formula is mean minus mode. To find out the skewness under absolute measure, the formula is mean minus mode. And when it comes to relative measure of skewness, there are two methods. One is KARL Pearson coefficient of skewness and Bowley's coefficient of skewness. So dear students, first we will understand and practice problems under KARL Pearson coefficient of skewness. Please watch this video carefully. Thank you. Okay students, so the formula to find out KARL Pearson skewness is, okay, the symbol for skewness of KARL Pearson is SKP is equal to mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. Standard deviation. ఇక సింబల్లో చెప్పుకోవాలి అంటే మనం KARL Pearson coefficient of skewness is equal to arithmetic mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. That is the formula. So first we have to find out mean. So let us have approach of shortcut method. Okay, the formula to find out mean is a plus summation fd by n, right? A plus summation fd by n. Okay, and to find out mode there are two methods. By one is inspection method, another one is grouping table and analysis table method. Okay, so when you observe all the frequencies under each variable, if you come to 125, this is the highest, it has the highest frequency, that is, so 18.5 variable has the highest frequency. So by inspection we can find that mode is equal to 18.5. so the one thing is you have to find out first mean, and by inspection we have found out mode, and next is you have to find out standard deviation. What is the formula to find out standard deviation? The formula to find out standard deviation is equal to square root of summation fd square by n minus brackets of summation fd by n whole square. Okay students, so my dear students, first let us do the problem to find out arithmetic mean. Okay, right. So first you have to take assumed mean. Let us take 17.5 as assumed mean. So from that you have to find out deviations. So 17.5 minus 14.5 is equal to, that comes to minus 3 and minus 2 minus 1, isn't it? 0. Here plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is the first step. And next you have to find out fd. fd means f into d. So here, so f into d, 35 into 3 is equal to how much? 105. 40 into 2 is equal to 80. So minus, you have to keep minuses. Okay, right. So in the same way, 48 into 1 is equal to minus 48, right? And next 100 into 0, 0, 125 plus, okay, 87 into 2 is equal to 174, 43 into 3 is equal to 129, and 22 into 4 is equal to 88. These are all plus figures and these are all minus figures. Now let us do what? When you add up all these, you will get you will get plus 516, plus 516, and when you add up all the minuses you will get minus 233. When you less 233 from 516 you will get 283. Okay, so you got summation FD. Okay students, so first you have to find out mean. So the formula to find out mean is equal to, you know already, a plus summation FD by n. Okay, a is equal to 17.5, summation FD is equal to how much? Summation FD is equal to plus 283 and n is equal to 500. Okay, so now 17.5 plus 283 divided by 500. So when you do that, you will get how much? 0.57. You will get 0.57. So you have to add up 17.5 plus 0.57. So when you add all those, you will get arithmetic mean 18.07. Okay students, so you please note down this important value. And next we have to find out d square. So to find out, standard deviation, first you have to find out d square. Okay, d square, right? So d square, how you will you get is that, so d, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, that is d square. 2 into 2 4, 1 1 0. In the same way, 1 4, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. So here you have to multiply them after finding d square. Okay, you have to multiply them, right? So with what? F. What is F here? So 35 into 9, 35 into 9, that comes to 315. In the same way, 40 into 4, that comes to 160. And one important thing is, when you want to find out d square and fd square, you have to ignore pluses and minuses. Okay students, and next is 48 0, and here 125. Here 87 into 4, that comes to 348. And next 43 into 9, that comes to 387. And next is equal to 16 into 22, that comes to 352. Okay, when you add up all these, the figure is equal to 1735. This is summation FD square. Okay students, now you have got all these figures. You have got summation FD square is equal to 1735, summation FD is equal to plus 283. Okay, n is equal to 500. Now you have to apply this here. Okay students, so this is very very important. Now we have to draw a square root, and here 1735 divided by 500 minus 283 by 500 brackets of, okay, whole square. So here how you read out? Square root of 173 by 500 minus brackets of 283 by 500 whole square. Okay, so when you calculate the calculations, right, so you will get 3.47 minus 0.32. Okay, and now you have to find out the square root for this. So that comes to, when you minus 3.47, okay, when you minus 0.32 from 3.47, you will get 3.15. You have to find out square root for this. Okay, so standard deviation is equal to 1.775. okay, so this is the value. Okay students, so now you have got all the values. Arithmetic mean is equal to 18.07, mode is equal to 18.5. Okay, mode is equal to 18.5. Standard deviation is equal to 1.775. So the formula to find out KARL Pearson skewness, coefficient of skewness is equal to, okay, here mean minus mode. What is the mean? What is the mean? 18.07. What is mode? 18.5. What is standard deviation? 1.775. Right. Now, so here 18.7 minus 18.50 is equal to minus 0.43, and you have to divide that with 1.775. So what do you get? You will get minus 0.24. This is the value. Okay, this is negatively skewed. Negatively. Okay, that's all, my dear students. Please do homework. Thank you for watching this video.